Hey, what is up guys? This is Lemillion Nation coming to you again with another video. Now, I'll be putting out more spoilers later on today, but for now, let's discuss some of the spoilers that we have so far. Again guys, if these are going to be spoilers, so if you don't want to hear them, please click off of the video and find one of my other content to watch until you're ready for this. Okay guys? Alright, now guys, this chapter is 278, and so far we're seeing that Bakugo has woken up, right? Bakugo wakes up, guys. That's good. For all the Bakugo fans, they see that Bakugo is still alive, right? That's the first main comfort, and they see that he's waking up, so that is really, really, really good, right? Now, it's actually titled Crumbling Sound. Yeah, guys, crumbling sound. So I wonder, what does that mean? Does it mean Shigaraki's decay? Because I know that when something is crumbling, it's like when he uses decay quirk, there are sounds of crumbling. So, or is it referring to hero society? Like when we actually see the manga panels, we'll see more. But this is just an introductory thing. There's something I want to discuss with you too. Twice's clone of Redestro is still operating after Twice's death. Now, is this saying that Twice is still alive? Because the clone is all well and good, and we saw that Twice's clone actually disappeared right in front of Toka. We saw his clone disappear. Did we see his body though? When Twice was killed, like was his body still there, or was it a trick? You know? I'm wondering if Twice is really dead because I mean he could have been instrumental in the war a while ago. Like the war is over. Well, the pre-war is over. They're gonna have the real war after this. But is Twice really, really dead? Was his quirk really awakened where he could just like his clone could maintain form for a while, and then once his clone maintains form, he could trick persons like and say that he's probably dead because we saw his clone disintegrate and die, right? Did Twice really, really die, or was his quirk awakened when Hawk stabbed him? Yeah, and then now he could actually use a clone to actually trick persons to think that he's dead, right? But he's actually still alive. Did the sword not? Was he, even if his quirk isn't awakened, did he find some way to survive? Was he healed in some way somehow? I don't know. Is this clone just an independent entity? Right, they are independent entities in all of them, but I mean like once the original is dead, the original user, then I don't think any other clone should actually be able to maintain its form. They should disappear. Maybe this clone of Twice that was there out there, yeah, maybe even after the user has died, the quirk user has died, it becomes the new user. Because when Twice actually splits in, he doesn't remember whether whether he's alive or not. Like, could the clones actually just maintain forms after they die too? Maybe probably his quirk develops over time, and then once it develops to that stage, like the clone thinks it's real. I don't know. I really don't know. Probably took Redestro's form and can't revert back to Twice and can't use his Twice powers again. I really don't know. We're gonna need the official translation soon so we can actually see what's going on. But for now, guys, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for tuning in. And this is Lemillion Nation signing out.